Transfăgărășan. Wonderful place to ride a motorcycle. It looks like I'll be lucky with the weather, even that the forecast said rain. So no more time to waste. Jump on the bike and go.
Good morning. Finally, today I plan to hit direction north, or to be more precise, northwest direction Pitești and Curtea de Argeș, from where I'm gonna start the famous pass Transfăgărășan. And now it's 6:30 and the forecast said that around maybe midday it will start raining in this area, and will rain tomorrow as well. So I'm gonna do it as quick as possible on the highway to get there, and I hope I'll be able to cross this pass before the rain, because the rain is not that bad, but I cannot film, and the idea of this trip is to film and show you everything. So that's why I'm gonna have a breakfast now and ride as quick as possible on this area, and I really hope that I'll be lucky enough to avoid the rain. And as I said, tomorrow the forecast says rain, and it will rain on Transalpina as well, so I might wait a day or two over there for better weather, but let's see. So breakfast and go.
Thank you for everything, Nikolai. Great man, great man.
It was a pleasure. Thanks for visiting, and I hope you had a very good impression of Bucharest and first impression of Romania and Bucharest. Drum bun, as we say here.
Drum bun, yeah.
Travel.
Yeah.
And hope to see you again.
Yeah, thank you for everything. I am sure that I'm gonna meet only nice people and
pretty sure.
gonna see the most beautiful places.
You will.
Yeah,
Every country has its charm.
absolutely, absolutely. All right. Oh, let's go before the rain, huh? Da. Okay. Ciao. Oh, what a lovely man. Absolutely great experience with him and with Arthur here in Bucharest. But you know, I have to travel. Oh, let me see, can I find the way out now? Nikolai described very well where I have to go, what to do. Let's see now. Curtea de Argeș. Yeah. This is what I need. It took me exactly 1 hour and 30 minutes to come to Pitești, and from here now I have 33 kilometers to Curtea de Argeș, here right. So it should be like 2 hours from Bucharest. Curtea de Argeș right here, okay. Just a roundabout, first to the right. Just 36 7C, this is the road. Okay, good. So in Curtea de Argeș I'm gonna refill the tank, buy some water, make a break 15-20 minutes, and then I will start Transfăgărășan pass. This is already a beautiful area, but cannot be compared with what I'm about to see after 30-40 kilometers. Degrees, sunny. I hope it will be the same until the end. potholes and very bumpy road here on this side, but let's see what is going to be after that. Beautiful rocks, beautiful.
place.
Beautiful. Transfăgărășan. Another beautiful spot here. I'm still looking for the best. Maybe somewhere. Let's see. Tunnels. Very busy here, busy. Let's see what is going to be on the other side. Maybe rain. Let's check these clouds. So, Transfăgărășan. Wonderful place to ride a motorcycle. It looks like I'll be lucky with the weather, even that the forecast said rain. So, no more time to waste. Jump on the bike and go. Nice, isn't it? What people are able to create, and in the same time they kill each other. Funny. Here down became again 25 degrees. Over there on the top was like 16, and it looks like I'm gonna avoid any rain today. And the original plan was to ride today on Transfăgărășan and tomorrow Transalpina, but because it might start rain later today and rain in the next 3 days, I might do Transalpina today as well. So I'm gonna find a place to stop now, eat something, and then continue. We'll see how the weather is going.